Welcome, beautiful souls, to Harmony Within. In today's session, we'll embark on a transformative journey through yoga, focusing on stress relief and cultivating inner balance. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to join our community dedicated to holistic well-being. In our increasingly fast-paced and demanding world, stress has become an unwelcome companion for many individuals. The constant pressures of work, relationships, and the incessant connectivity to technology often take a toll on our mental and physical well-being. Recognizing the need for effective stress relief techniques, more and more people are turning to the ancient practice of yoga. Among the myriad styles of yoga, one that stands out for its ability to address stress and promote inner balance is the yoga flow. This dynamic form of yoga seamlessly blends breath with movement, creating a rhythmic and continuous sequence of poses that not only enhance physical well-being, but also serve as a moving meditation. Before delving into the specifics of a stress relief yoga flow, it is crucial to comprehend the nature of stress and its profound effects on the body and mind. Stress, whether acute or chronic, triggers a physiological response known as the fight or flight response. This evolutionary mechanism, designed to help us respond to immediate threats, can become maladaptive in modern life, leading to a range of health issues such as anxiety, depression, and various physical ailments. Yoga flow, often referred to as vinyasa flow, is a dynamic and invigorating form of yoga that seamlessly connects breath with movement. This style is characterized by a series of poses that flow smoothly from one to the next, creating a continuous and rhythmic sequence. The dynamic nature of yoga flow not only enhances flexibility and strength, but also serves as a moving meditation, encouraging practitioners to be fully present in the moment. Creating a yoga flow specifically tailored for stress relief involves a thoughtful selection of poses and sequences that activate the body's relaxation response. One effective sequence for stress relief might begin with child's pose, where practitioners start in a kneeling position, sitting back on their heels and extend their arms forward on the mat. This gentle stretch helps release tension in the back and shoulders, inviting a sense of ease and relaxation. Transitioning from there to cat-cow stretch, practitioners move through a series of arching and rounding the spine, promoting flexibility and further releasing tension. As the sequence progresses, incorporating foundational poses such as downward facing dog and sun salutations can be immensely beneficial. Downward dog, with its inverted V shape, not only stretches and strengthens various muscle groups, but also encourages deep breathing, which is essential for activating the body's relaxation response. Sun salutations, a series of poses linked together in a fluid motion, serve to energize the body and promote a sense of vitality. The rhythmic flow of sun salutations also enhances concentration and mindfulness, qualities that are integral in managing and reducing stress. Moving on to more grounding poses, incorporating warrior poses, Virabhadrasana Eye and Eye provides an opportunity to build strength in the legs and core while fostering a sense of empowerment and stability. These poses, with their strong and stable foundation, can metaphorically symbolize facing life's challenges with strength and resilience. Following this, balancing poses like tree pose, Vrikshasana, can be introduced. As the yoga flow nears its conclusion, incorporating a seated stretch like seated forward bend, Paschimottanasana, targets the spine, hamstrings, and shoulders. This pose allows for a gentle release of tension in the lower back and promotes a sense of surrender, further facilitating the relaxation response. Finally, ending the sequence with corpse pose, Savasana, provides an opportunity for complete relaxation. In Savasana, practitioners lie down on their backs with arms and legs extended, allowing for integration of the practice and deep relaxation. Throughout the yoga flow designed for stress relief, emphasis on controlled and conscious breathing is paramount. Integrating breathwork techniques such as diaphragmatic breathing or alternate nostril breathing enhances the relaxation response and helps quiet the mind. The breath serves as a bridge between the body and mind, and by cultivating a steady and rhythmic breath, practitioners can bring about a state of calm and balance. Thank you for joining us on this journey to find harmony within. If you enjoyed this session, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance to reconnect with yourself through our guided practices. Until next time, stay mindful, stay balanced.